Yo, what it is though, cuz one of them Sacktown productions right there. Yeah, this is always on my nizzle.
Yo, let me see what you got. Cause I don't rap if the beat don't knock. I need bass, make it slap. Blue jeans, white tees, flip that. Uh-oh. Yes, it's flip in the villain. Revolution, not a gang. For my people still spitting. Don't forget mine's gutty, so get used to my grind. No sleep on beats, yeah, I'm hard to find. Say my life on these lines. When you check it on the record, another flip. Going solo, no, I got a new method. I'm a brand new question, blessed with plenty obsession. Cause I'm raising my peaks in a quick rap session. And I'm doing it big, most cats pulling it with. When success comes to rest, I'll be good in this bitch. Oh, believe who it is, cause I'm live in the flesh. Flip G, F.O.B, go and give it to them less.
Hey, see that I'm doing big things. Asking myself just to reach these things. I'm spitting at these times and I know I'm plotting. Trying to move the block just to get the hood poppin'. I know me, and you do you. Cause ain't nothing else that I'm really used to. I'm living my life just the way you see it. See no fronts, baby, I do me. I do me.
Darius is back. Up in the Pacific, back on the map. I'm on a steady grind. Avoid your petty mind. You better get yours, cause I'ma get mine. So moving the block to keep the hood poppin' and keep the hood rockin'. Living this silent hustle, so peep this hood hoppin'. Boy, from the Pacific, you scream, listen. Bumpin' through the block, you know it's gotta be me. Y'all know me like I was really hosting Wild Wild Wee. You ain't gotta fight me, you ain't gotta like me. You ain't gotta go young, you ain't gotta hype me. Respect the West, cause the best of the best. Flex to the rest of this mess. You up next to the test. If it's a problem, ain't no problem, put your soul to rest. Cause I'ma do me, I'ma do me.
You can see that I'm doing big things. Asking myself just to reach these things. I'm spitting at these times and I know I'm plotting. Trying to move the block just to keep the hood poppin'. I know me, and you do you. Cause ain't nothing else that I'm really used to. I'm living my life just the way you see it. See no fronts, baby, I do me.
I pop off the lids off and hits my thing. 83 got big dreams, I'm headed to canvas. Young star Flip G, I got king on my back. Little weed, and your weed go dumb on the strap. We set free, Mr. Foster, you already know. Real talk, homeboy, yeah, you already know. I hit the block now, I swept them haters on my shoulders now. I'm going all out, tell me what's poppin' now. I'm in the hood, laying low, chillin' with my cuddies.
It's kinda funny how these haters think they are your buddy.
This ain't me, man, I'm fresh to death. I got beaming on my side, and don't do the rest is genuine. Yes, man, we are the best. Don't test us, you better catch your breath. Plus, open your eyes, watch me revolutionize the rap game. Ain't a thing, watch my people all
You
rise.
can see that I'm doing big things. Asking myself just to reach these things. I'm spitting at these times and I know I'm plotting. Trying to move the block just to keep the hood poppin'. I know me, and you do you. Cause ain't nothing else that I'm really used to. I'm living my life just the way you see it. See no fronts, baby, I do me. I do me that I'm doing big things. Asking myself just to reach these things. I'm spitting at these times and I know I'm plotting. Trying to move the block just to keep the hood
Yeah, I wanna give a shout out to my people back home in the islands. You feel me? Doing it big, doing it young.
Feel me? See it.
Tell them one more time,
I do me.